with just one click, you can now use Pandas in Colab, which is Google's cloud data centers platform, accelerated by cuDF.
Hello, welcome to the Marc Show, the cybersecurity show. Nvidia's AI chip has just now a huge breakthrough, and I'm going to break it down in this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So Nvidia today, right, has unveiled its new generation of artificial intelligence chips to succeed the previous model, which was announced just months earlier in March this year. Nvidia CEO Jensen announced the new AI chip architecture dubbed Rubin ahead of the Computex tech conference in Defies, or whatever you want to call it. But before I continue the story, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Rubin comes months after the March announcement of the upcoming Blackwell model, which is still in production and is expected to ship to customers later in 2024 this year, right? So the CEO's announcement of Rubin appears to quicken the company's already accelerated pace of AI chip advancement. Nvidia has pledged to release new AI chip models on a one-year rhythm, as the CEO put it today, Sunday, right? The company had previously been operating on a slower 2-year update timeline for chips. So the very short turnaround from Blackwell to Rubin was a matter of less than 3 months, underscoring the competitive frenzy in the AI chip market and Nvidia's sprint to preserve its dominant spot. AMD and Intel are two major competitors working to catch up, though their margins trailed Nvidia's in the most recent fiscal quarter. Companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon are also vying for Nvidia's top spot, even as they are simultaneously some of Nvidia's biggest patrons. A flurry of startups are also working to enter the space. We have a statement and it reads, "Today we are at the cusp of a major shift in computing," said the CEO. He's also said this: "With our innovations in AI and accelerated computing, we are pushing the boundaries of what's possible and driving the next wave of technological advancement." The Rubin chip platform will have new GPUs, the crucial graphic processing technology that helps train and launch AI systems. It will come with other new features like a central processor called Vera. Though the announcement today did not provide any details. So shares of Nvidia were relatively flat as far as Friday's market closing, with shares trading at about $1,100. So that's what I have for you today. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Stay safe. See you on the next video.